The new document search functionality has taken the place of our old Documents tab and allows for you to download documents like billing statements from multiple loans at one time. To get to the new document search from the home page, simply click the Documents tab on the navigation bar. Here, you will see that you can search by loan number, start or end date, as well as document type. The loan number and document type fields are multi-select, allowing you to pick and choose exactly what you need across your portfolio. The start and end date are based on when the document was created. In this example, we're going to select all of my loans. I can click these individually, or I can leave this field blank to search everything. And I'm going to look for my billing statements. Again, I can use the navigator here to go down to billing statements, or I can type in billing statement and select it as my document type. Once I have my search criteria set, I'm going to click the search button. You can sort the columns to change the way the results are displayed. And when you find the documents you want to download, you can either select them individually or select all documents and click Download Documents. You will see a success message and will be taken to the My Downloads page. Once the files are packaged and ready to download, they will appear in the My Downloads page. To download, simply check the box next to the folder that you want and click the download arrow that appears on the right-hand side. The zip folders will remain in your My Downloads folder for 3 days and will be automatically deleted thereafter. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at clientportal@northmarq.com.